a little bit slippery.
We just walked 1 hour. We decided to go again in the nature to follow up to this waterfall here. If you're by the road, you can see it very well, and even here you can see it, and here it. So we're just heading to the waterfall up here.
See how these ferns, how they start every year again. They start again new.
Yeah.
And they go later very big.
Oh, flowers blooming already. Look at how they coil back again.
See all these flowers too. See these white flowers.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
In a few weeks you will not be able to follow here. It will be bushy.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Okay, let's catch up at the waterfall. Look at that. What a huge waterfall. I wish I have grown. Could have captured it very well.
The top is still frozen, you see?
Yeah, the top is still frozen. Only two sides are falling, but the middle one frozen. What a beautiful place is this one. I love it.
Now you can go up.
Enjoy the nature now and enjoy the sound of the waterfall.
slippery. Well, then I can do it too. Look at that. Nice. that eatable?
I don't know. What's your hand?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah,
Right
now
in
I
the sun,
see it.
where the
Yeah.
sun is.
Oh,
You see the top of the waterfall.
yeah. Cool. Here, I'm stuck. Oh, yeah. That is slippery now. There is still ice over there. I just follow my wind. For the ground they are caught me here. So with many rain, this one flows. So this one has not melted yet. Comes from here to join the waterfall over there.
This is not a joke.
No,
24/7.
this is not AI. This is real. 24/7 the water flow down. Automatic. It's godly made. Europe is not good. Europe is still ice. We made it to the top, but not me. I'm still stuck. Beautiful world. Beautiful flowers too. Very beautiful one too. Look at that. Now you can see the sea
Careful. Huh? Oh. Whoa. Wow. And we're not even at the top yet. Still very much further. Careful, careful. Wow.
We are on the top, so over there is where the highland, where you can see the houses where we were walking in before. So now we just sit on the top.
Good time here.
Well, it is so like,
Here you can see he's been sleeping here. You see?
yeah,
More hair here.
yeah.
See, he's sleeping before.
Yeah, I was sleeping down here. What is this animal?
Correct. This is where he walks all the time.
What is this insect called? It's not a bee.
Bumble. Bumblebee.
I don't know. The bumblebee. Give us the name of this insect.
They can sting you, but only one time.
Yeah, they stink. So the moose was sleeping here.
The hair of the moose is hollow.
Yeah, look how the hair of the moose looks
That's
like.
why the moose is never cold. It's very insulated.
I was sleeping here.
He's been eating here, you can see. He's been